Hello and welcome to another video. In one of my previous videos I mentioned I put it in Valet Mode to protect the Kia Connect settings from being disabled if the car was to be stolen. Although I did this video for the e-Niro nearly a year ago now, I'll do it again for the EV6. This is about Valet Mode or Valet Mode, how to set it up and what it protects. Right, Valet Mode or Valet Mode is a mode where the car locks down its settings so they can't be messed with or disturbed, and the speed is limited and the volume of the stereo is turned down to nothing. To get into Valet Mode, stroke left from the first screen and go into Valet Mode, and then to put it on, make up a password. So I'm going to use 1066. And when it goes on, it talks to the Kia Connect servers and you get a notification on your phone. There we go, it's in. Failed to launch. Try again. Activated. You can actually use the Kia Connect app on the first screen, so not remote but the home screen, and you get on the bottom. You can deactivate Valet Mode or Valet Mode from there without knowing the PIN, but you have to be logged into the app and have validated with a PIN number or the biometric security. So if I go into there now, tells you driving distance 100 meters, less than 1 minute, top speed was 0. So this limits the speed as well as locking anyone out of the settings and turns the audio off. So you just press end. And there you see, I'm going to put it back in Valet Mode and show you something else. So I'll use 1066 as the pin again. Back in Valet Mode. If you think resetting the head unit with a paperclip is going to get you out of Valet Mode, then you're wrong. So I'll do it, show you. There you go, and it's still in Valet Mode after a paperclip head unit reset. You might think that if you could get into engineering mode you might be able to clear the head unit to get rid of it, but you can't get into it because you can't see the radio knob volume controls, and even if you knew the relative position of them, say if I set that to 0, now I've tried this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Not available in Valet Mode. There you go. So re-enter your PIN. I just set it to 1066, didn't I? Yes. Anyway, so none of your settings, specifically Kia Connect, if they got into Kia Connect settings and set it to offline mode, then you wouldn't be able to track it with the app to see where the car was. So that's why it's good to protect all of your settings with Valet Mode. Thank you for watching.